Hi and welcome to Chemipedia chemistry classes for 11th and 12th standard. So in this video I am going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of phenols. This is nothing but a benzene compound which has molecular formula C6H6. If one of the hydrogen in benzene is substituted by OH group, that gives a compound called phenol, or which is also called as hydroxybenzene. A benzene ring with OH group is nothing but phenol, isn't it? Right. So now look at the second compound. Here in a phenolic compound, we have a bromine atom also, isn't it? Right. So now I number this way. I give preference to the carbon attached with OH group. So 1, 2. Now this is phenol. Then which has a substituent Br. So bromophenol. So while giving number, the bromine carbon gets number 2, isn't it? So it is 2-bromophenol. Then look at the next compound, a phenolic compound which has methyl group. So while numbering, methyl carbon is getting number 2, isn't it? So that at second carbon there is a methyl group. So it is called as 2-methylphenol. So IUPAC name of this compound is nothing but 2-methylphenol. Then generally methyl phenols are called as crasols. So this is also called as crasol in common system. The OH group and CH3 groups are in adjacent carbon atom. So it is also called as orthocrasol. Then look at the next compound. So this is also like the previous one, but the CH3 group position is different, isn't it? Whereas in this compound, CH3 is attached at fourth carbon of the benzene ring, isn't it? When you start numbering from OH carbon, so the CH3 carbon is getting number 4. So there is a methyl group at fourth carbon, so it is called as 4-methylphenol. That is the IUPAC name. Then methylphenols are crasols. The groups are at opposite position, so that is called as metacrasol. That is a common name. Look at the next compound, benzene with OH group and Cl. So that basically it is phenol which has a chlorine substituent, isn't it? While numbering, that chlorine carbon gets number 4, isn't it? So that it is called chlorophenol. Chlorine at fourth carbon, so 4-chlorophenol. Right. So now look at the next compound, a benzene with 2 OH group. A benzene compound with 2 OH group, isn't it? Right. So now this can be called as benzene 1,2-diol. When you give number, you can give number 1 and 2, so that benzene ring carries OH groups at first carbon and second carbon, so it is called as benzene diol, isn't it? And its common name catechol. Common name catechol. Okay. Now look at the next compound. This is also with benzene with 2 OH groups, but whereas the OH groups are in the alternate carbon. So while giving number, the OH carbons are getting number 1 and 3, isn't it? So this is also called as benzene diol, but benzene 1,3 diol. Benzene 1,3 diol, isn't it? Whereas common system, it is called as resarsenol. Common name of this compound is what? Resarsenol. Okay, right. So look at the next one. This is also a benzene diol derivative, okay, but OH groups are in opposite carbon of benzene ring. While numbering, it is getting number 1 and 4. OH carbons are getting 1 and 4 number, isn't it? So that its IUPAC name benzene 1,4 diol. Benzene 1,4 diol. So if the OH groups are in the opposite carbon, then it is called as quinol. So quinol is the common name of this benzene 1,4 diol, okay, right? So look at the next compound. So this has benzene ring with OH, a phenolic compound with 2-methyl substituent. 2-methyl substituent. While numbering, I start from here, so that methyl carbons are getting number 2 and 6, isn't it? So that this is dimethylphenol actually. This is dimethylphenol. Methyl groups are at carbon number 2 and 6, so that is called 2,6 dimethylphenol. So IUPAC name of this compound is what? 2,3 dimethylphenol. Okay, right. So next look at this compound. A phenolic compound which has NO2 group, isn't it? NO2 is nothing but nitro group. So that this is supposed to be nitrophenol. Give number from OH carbon, so that NO2 carbon gets number 4. By NO2 group attached at fourth carbon in phenol, so 4-nitrophenol. What is it? 4-nitrophenol. Okay, right. So next compound. This is also nitrophenol, but there are 3 NO2 groups. There are 3 NO2 groups OH. So it is supposed to be trinitrophenol. You can name this as trinitrophenol. Give the numbering. Start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that NO2 group carbons are getting number 2, 4 and 6, isn't it? So it is 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. That is the IUPAC name of this compound, and this compound has another name, common name, which is nothing but picric acid. Picric acid is the common name of this 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Okay, right. So look at the next compound. A phenolic compound in which there are 3 bromine atoms, isn't it? Right. So bromines are attached at carbon number 2, 4 and 6. So that 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. That is the IUPAC name of this compound, isn't it? Right. So look at the next one. A compound, a phenolic compound which has 2 different substances. One is methyl, another 2 more substances are nothing but nitro groups, isn't it? Right. So basically it is nothing but methyl nitrophenol or methyl dinitrophenol. This is supposed to be named how? Methyl dinitrophenol. While giving number, methyl group gets number 3, nitro groups are getting number 4 and 6, isn't it? So that it is supposed to be 3-methyl 4,6 dinitrophenol. So that is the IUPAC name of this compound, 3-methyl 4,6 dinitrophenol. Okay, right. Then the next compound, a phenolic compound which has methyl group and NO2 group, isn't it? Right. So while numbering, methyl carbon is getting 3 and nitro carbon is getting 6. So that methyl nitrophenol, 3-methyl 6-nitrophenol. 3-methyl 6-nitrophenol is the IUPAC name for this compound. Look at the last compound. A phenolic compound, benzene with OH, which has a substance NO group. Whereas NO group, we call it as nitroso. What is it? Nitroso. So it is supposed to be nitrosophenol. What is it? Nitrosophenol. While numbering, this nitroso carbon gets number 4. So nitroso group is at carbon number 4. So it is called as 4-nitrosophenol. Okay, that is the IUPAC name of this compound. I hope you understood how to give the IUPAC name of phenol and phenol derivative. Thank you.